Today we're gonna be reviewing this Z59 Ultra. This is the red RDfit Pro smartwatch enabled. So here is the QR code. This is how it came. You can see it's a smartwatch. So first, let's unbox it. First, you have to remove this plastic from it. Remove this plastic from it. See, this is how it looks. So let's unbox it quickly and see how it looks inside. Wow. Z59 Ultra. This is Z59 Ultra. So as you can see, it comes with this black tripod. Understand? So this is it. This is the charger. It's a wireless charger too, so you can easily remove this plastic from it. This is it. This is the watch. Wow. So we need to charge this watch now and then pull it on and see how it looks. This is the angle. This is the speaker. As you can see, this is the speaker, and it has two buttons right here. It has these two buttons. See, I don't know if this one can pull out, but this is how it came. You can remove this. Wow, very nice. As you can see, this is how it came. Wow, very nice. This is it. I like this black color. So it comes with a wireless charging spot. Come with this strong stripe. Wow, this is how it looks on my wrist. Very nice. And we need to charge it, so we have to remove this and then charge the smartwatch. Hello, this is it. This is the menu. This is how it looks. This is the smartwatch. So we just put it on charge and let's proceed. Wow, the smartwatch has a very nice interface. Wow. So you have a lot of different wallpaper that you can choose from. So when you press this, it can lead you to the menu, and from this menu, wow, this smartwatch is very cool. So it has a calculator too. So it has a very smart calculator, so you can go back, and you have a lot of features right here. You can check your blood pressure. You have Facebook, you have inbuilt Facebook app, then you have music player, you have Alipay, you have smart WhatsApp, you have Twitter, you have almost all the social media apps that you normally have in your phone. So there is it. You have WeChat, I think. So to check your blood pressure is from here. See, so the smartwatch is very nice. Class smartwatch have a voice assistant. When you click here, you see, click to wake up the voice assistant. That's when you are connected to your phone. You have a voice assistant. And this is Alipay. When it's connected to your phone, you can easily make payment with this. And let's go to the settings. From settings, you see solid time. You can easily set your time. And then from here is the screen turn off and on. How many seconds you want your screen to still be awake. When you can set it, you can set it from here. 15 minutes, 10 minutes. You can set it and then mark it. This gesture mode. If you want the screen watch to come on when you like rotate your wrist. That's how when you put it on, you've been able to enable the gesture mode. And then this is the brightness. You can set the brightness of this smartwatch from here. So when you're done, you just press back. Then this is the key definition, double click. You see, so from here you can check your exercise, your BP, and some other thing, call and other stuff. Next time you can go back from here. Then this smartwatch is very cool. You can increase your vibration mode from here, and you can also be able to add password. You can also add password. You can enable password on this smartwatch if you want, and also you can also set your language of your choice. If you want to set any language of your choice, you can easily add it here: French, English, Chinese, learn language of his choice. You can, but it normally comes with a default language of English. So from here you can easily connect. Like if you want to download the app of the smartwatch, you can easily scan the QR code and being able to have the app. So from here you can reboot the smartwatch, then from here you can turn it off. So this is about the smartwatch. This is the smartwatch information. This is the Bluetooth address. This is the version name. So this smartwatch comes very clean, and I love the shape of this smartwatch. You have this button that you can be able to use, so one click button that you can easily be able to use to start your sport activity. Just tap here, see, tap here, you will start your sport activity: running, exercising, football. You have a lot, understand? Let me show you guys. See, so from here, basketball, swimming, cycling, understand, climb, a whole lot. So when you swipe down, this is what you see, and when you go back and swipe up, you can be able to enable the Bluetooth shortcut to settings and brightness. As you can see, the screen watch. So here, from here too, you can scroll up, being able to play music when your smartwatch is connected to your phone. And from here you can easily switch to BP checking, which is checking your blood pressure. And from here you can easily be able to swipe and see the shortcut to some of the apps that's in the watch, understand? And you can easily lock your smartwatch screen from here. You can easily also be able to customize your wallpaper by adding your own personal photo on the smartwatch screen, the wallpaper, understand? So you can easily click right here to turn off the smartwatch screen, and click right here to bring it on back. From here, and you tap, you get to the menu of the smartwatch, and when you tap back, you get switch back. So when you rotate this, that's when you'll be able to change the wallpaper of the smartwatch. And I love this. I love it. And it comes with this magnetic, you see, magnetic wireless charger. See, in case you keep your smartwatch like this, you can easily rotate. See, so this smartwatch have a very nice beautiful features. As you can see, you can easily keep the smartwatch. See, it's a very beautiful smartwatch. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on my next video.